Factile is a Jeopardy-style game. There are two key roles in Factile: the moderator, who monitors the gameplay, and the teams. There can be 5 teams in any game, 18 teams with a pro subscription. Each team can have as many members as desired. Open your game from the My Games page, and you'll come to this screen. If you have a pro subscription, you can use the options here on the left to customize your game. If you don't have a pro subscription, these options will just be grayed out. And when you're ready, click Play Now. Next, select the number of teams playing, and then if you have a pro subscription, you can choose to play in buzzer mode. If you don't have a pro subscription, just click No. Buzzer mode allows your team to buzz in to answer the question using a mobile device or a computer. For now, just click No to advance to the next screen. Here you'll be able to choose your team captains. There are 5 themes of mascots: sea-themed, safari-themed, fruit, Arctic, and vegetable. Use the arrows at the bottom to scroll through your different options and make your selection. And when you're ready, press Start Game. So this is your Factile board. If you want to make the game full screen mode, go ahead and press this option up here at the top. You'll be able to see your teams down at the bottom. And if you want to exit the game, just click this back button here. You'll see your category names at the top and all of your active tiles below. A tile is active if the number is yellow. To start the game, click on a tile and the question will appear. You as the moderator will monitor which team raises their hand first to provide the answer, and then you as the moderator decide if the answer provided is correct or not. If the answer is correct, click the check mark on the team's podium. If the answer is incorrect, click the X mark. Then press Continue. If the team provides an incorrect answer, the other teams have the opportunity to provide the correct answer. The game will show the answer once one team gets the answer correct and you click the check mark, or all teams have provided an incorrect answer and you've clicked the X on all team podiums. Alternatively, you can press this button here at the top that says Skip See Answer, and this will skip scoring for this particular question and display the answer. When you're finished with this tile, click Continue to go back to the Factile and continue playing the tiles. Once you've played all the tiles, the game will advance into the final Factile. Here you enter valid wagers for each team. The teams can wager anything from 0 to the maximum number of points that they have. Once valid wagers have been entered, this button here will turn blue and you click Play Now to display the final Factile question. All teams provide their final answer. As the moderator, you determine if the answer is correct or incorrect. If it's correct, click the check mark on the podium. If it's incorrect, click the X. The game will automatically adjust the team scores based on the amount that they wagered and whether the answer they provided was correct or incorrect. And then the game will display the final winner. The team with the most points wins the game. So to do a quick recap, open the game from the My Games page, press Play Now, select how many teams are playing in the session, select No for buzzer mode unless you have a pro subscription, choose your team captains. When you're ready, press Start Game. Click on a tile to open the question. If the answer is correct, click the check mark. If it's incorrect, click the X. Click Continue to go back to the Factile board. Open another tile. If you'd like to skip scoring for a particular question, use the Skip See button near the top of your board. Once all the tiles have been answered, the game will advance into the final Factile question. Enter valid wagers for each team. Press Play Now. Click the check mark for correct answers, X for incorrect answers, Continue, and then the game will display the winner. And that's how you play a Factile game.